Alright, I recently brought this tiny little tool. This is called as M5Stick, and this is a pretty versatile tool. It contains IR sensor and motion sensor that you can use to create amazing things. But the thing I want to create is a desktop assistant. So with that being said, let's see how we can develop the entire structure.
Let's go!
Right now we are surrounded by smart devices, phone, assistant and AI tools. Everything is getting faster and more efficient, but none of them feel actually in present. These devices respond to you when you ask, but they don't react naturally or even feel useful. That's where this idea came from. I didn't want to build something smarter. I wanted to build something that feels alive, something that simply exists on your desk and respond to your environment. Before I show you how to build it, here is what it actually does. When I tap the desk, it reacts instantly. When it hears sounds, it changes its expression, and when nothing is happening, it plays ideal animation, almost like it is waiting. There is a menu for apps and games too, like the Pomodoro timer and drink time reminder, and even games like Snakes and Pong, and that's the whole point. Everything in this project runs on M5StickC Plus C2. You can also use ESP32 board. The reason I chose it because it already has a built-in screen, motion sensor and enough processing power to handle small and simple behaviors. It keeps the entire project compact and clean. It is important because this is supposed to sit on your desk, not look like a lab experiment with wires everywhere. For the software side, I use Arduino IDE to handle the logic and upload the code, and Figma to design the entire UI. Before actually coding it, designing the UI is important because you are not just building functionality here, you are building behavior. I designed different expressions for different states, like reacting to sound, reacting to movement, and ideal state. Keeping it simple was intentional because more complex it looks, the less it feels comprehensive and like an app. When it comes to coding, you don't need to write something extremely complex. The main focus is setting up the sensor input, defining threshold, and then mapping those input to visual state. I structured the code in a way that each state has its own behavior, so instead of random reaction, it feels consistent. Once it is done, I uploaded the code to Arduino IDE and started testing it in real condition. And that is the presence which makes it interesting. It is not trying to replace anything. It is just adding a different kind of interaction to the workspace. There is still a lot to improve here. You could add complex behavior, maybe integrate some memory and even connect it with AI for more dynamic personality. But even in this current form, it is already doing that most of the device don't do, which actually make it more like human. If you guys are interested in building these for yourself, then you can download the pre-built code that I have given in the description. And also you can use it directly into your ESP32 board or even though directly into the M5Stick. The hardware is simple, but the personality is what makes it unique. I hope this video was really helpful, and if it was, then consider subscribing, hit that like button below. I will meet you in the video. Until then, keep learning. Goodbye.